Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you the secret method how to get unlimited donuts with this awesome tapped out hack. This hack tutorial is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. As you can see, I've already used it and it works great. Say goodbye to hours of grinding. Now you can instantly unlock unlimited resources. But how does it work? So if you want to learn, don't miss this video, where I'll show you the whole process in this step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First, we need to check our in-game user ID. We will need this information in the next steps. Then open your internet browser and go to this website. As you can see, you will find many modded apps and games here. They all offer amazing features, but let's focus on the topic of the guide. Search for Tapped Out and click on it. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. On this page, select your platform and enter your username. Then click a button that says Connect. Now wait for a few seconds to connect to the game server. Don't worry, this mod is completely safe and undetectable, so your account will remain secure. Next, choose the amount of donuts you want and click a button that says Generate. In most cases, you will see a message that says Injection completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish. This step might vary depending on your device, model, and operating system, but it's usually simple: verify your account. This step ensures that only real players will use this hack. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. Alright, I don't want to make this video too long, so I will skip the video here and come back to you when I am done the verification process. Okay, I'm back. It took me a few minutes, which I think is not too long and totally worth it. Once you are done all necessary actions, just launch your game and enjoy the unlimited resources. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you.